This has been a crazy week. Like, this has just been madness. I don't even remember what I did last week at this point. Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I look a little crazy. I'm not ready, but that is the point of this video. We're gonna get ready together. Make sure you subscribe down below if you haven't already, if you are new, and if you're not, thank you for coming back and joining me again. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm just here to chill with you guys, talk to you guys, and show you how I install a wig. I have shown you guys how I install my wig before. This hair that I'm using today is a different company. It's from Tinashe hair. I don't know how exactly to pronounce it, but I hear a lot of people saying Tinashe hair, so that's what we're going with. So anyways, I haven't been able to sit down and talk to you guys for a while, so I just wanted to come back and check in and see how everyone is doing. How are you guys doing? And I'm honestly like, y'all, these past few months have been a blur. I don't even know what is going on. So let me get the details of this hair out and then we'll get into this installing chit chat video. So this hair, like I said, is from Tinashe hair. Comes in this cute little satin bag, and they sent me their full lace wig, Brazilian deep wave hair. So it is a full lace wig, which is amazing. I don't really have many full lace wigs, so with that being said, I can part it all the way down the back of my head. I can do half up styles, like all that different stuff. So this is really cool. I'm excited to try this on, and it looks like it's, you know, a nice size, so we'll see how that fits on my head. Oh, it feels really comfortable actually. Oh wow, this is perfect. This is probably, oh nice. Okay, the sizing on this is amazing. Alright, so far I'm loving the color. First and foremost, you guys know I like my hair dark. I hate when hair comes in that too like much of a brown color, because my natural hair is really dark, so I like my wigs to be dark as well. Get into the basics. I'm just gonna cut off the lace so we can move on with the rest of this video. Let me just start from here. Also, I already washed this hair, so it is good to wash it and then air dry it. Okay, so I cut the lace off and I'm just going to go ahead and secure it with some Got To Be free spray as usual. Okay, anyways, yeah, let's talk guys. So I'm gonna let you guys see how this hair works and moves throughout this video so we can just, you know, get a feel for it. So far it feels good, the pattern's pretty, the length is nice, and it's a full lace wig, so it fits really nicely on my head. But anyways, so yeah, let's talk. I have been honestly so overwhelmed with everything in life. I am so blessed and so happy. I feel like so much is happening. You know, I'm getting married soon. I have my channel growing, my social media growing. Of course, my personal life has been great. I'm very happy about that, so I cannot complain. Of course, nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. Things could always be better, but I'm definitely happy with things, and I'm just trying to stay grateful even though I am a little bit stressed, just a little bit. The things that I'm stressed about, it's not even that serious, you know? So I can only be happy about the situation, about how things are, and I honestly do not have anything to complain about. Other than that, things have been great, and I just feel like in the next few months after this wedding, like I'm just so ready to kind of take my career to the next level, and that is my goal. I want to be a bit more, what's the word? Like just more, you can't stop me, get out of my way, you know? But yeah, no, I was inspired by somebody on Instagram, and I mean, I'm always kind of inspired by her, but I was inspired by Dana Chanel because she's been doing her little workout stuff and she lost a few pounds and she looks amazing, and what she always captions is that I am a slave to no one, not even my own body. And I was like, I read that all the time, nothing really clicks, and I feel like recently I read that and I was like, honestly, like I can be so sluggish and tired all the time, but that's mainly because I don't sleep at a good time. Sometimes I don't eat well, like nowadays, like I'm just kind of all over the place. So I feel like I need to get in control of that, you know, and not be a slave to anything, not be a slave to my phone, to my bed, to anything. So after all this wedding stuff is done, it's just like gotta get things cracking and back up, and I'm gonna keep myself busy. I'm gonna get into classes. I'm gonna, you know, do what I usually do as regular me, because right now I don't feel like myself because I'm just focusing on one thing, and that's the wedding. And I don't usually just focus on one thing because I'm a little crazy. And I like to be doing multiple things at once because that's what I do and that's how I stay sane. But yeah, guys, like you know what, I've really been contemplating like just so much because of the things that first of all, YouTube has been great. I feel like lately there's nothing crazy happening except for, you know, people breaking up, and that has really just like shocked me. I don't want to say, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But actually I can just say it, but like even with Jamie and Nikki's breakup or separation, I don't really know, obviously I don't know what's going on, but that really like shocked me, and that made me so like, wow. It made me really wonder like how like I don't know, like is it about sharing on social media? Like I wonder if that has a strain on their marriage or anyone's marriage, not just them, but like I wonder if having your entire, or maybe not your entire life, but I wonder if having your personal life or sharing what you do share on social media makes it harder on your marriage. And I feel like some people will be like inevitably like, yes, of course. But then there's people on here who do it flawlessly or who do it as best as they can and we don't notice anything, and who've been doing it for a long time, you know? So it's like, what line is there? Like if you are doing a family channel with your children, your husband, and everybody, like I don't know, like how, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just thinking like, I wonder if they had their regular lives off of YouTube, or if people have their regular lives off of YouTube, if things would be less strenuous or difficult, or would they still have their problems? Like what is it really about social media that makes people think like, oh, like don't post your man or don't share this because it's gonna ruin your relationship? Like what actually is going on that's ruining relationships that has to do with social media? Is it the competition? Is it the focusing on like the working and the personal life all mixed together? Is it figuring out what to share, what not to share? Like what is the drama, you know? So I don't know, that really like hit me. Like when I saw that post, when I saw Nikki's post, I was actually very sad. I mean, not very sad, but I was just really like shocked. I was very shocked because I was like, I never would have thought, like everybody I will say that I thought was like perfect on YouTube has gone through, not everybody, a lot of people that I thought were perfect on YouTube have gone through some sort of like drama or scandal, or you know, so it's like everybody's different and you really can't believe what you see on the internet. Anyways, hold on, let me pluck this part real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some concealer to my part now that it's a bit wider. Just brighten it up a little bit. I feel like this is the fastest I have ever installed my hair. Actually, it was really easy because I just used my Got To Be spray and then the little plucking, and then this easily parted and laid flat with a little bit of mousse. I just used some mousse that I get at the beauty supply store, nothing special. I feel like you guys have seen this deep wave look on me a few times. It's my favorite type of curl, and the nice thing that I like about this wig so far, I think maybe because it's full lace, is that it's really lightweight. Like you don't feel the heaviness of some homemade wigs because the tracks aren't on there. So it's full lace and it's individually installed in a really nice thin cap. So it feels really light and fluffy, so this is good for summer. But anyways, I will update you guys on this hair in a little bit after I wear it for some time. But to keep styling it, I'm just going to use my leave-in conditioner, my Shea Moisture one that I've been using, and I'm gonna style it like I do my own hair. So I use my curly hair products in my curly wigs as well. Anywho, I am still trying to find a balance between coming on here and doing more personal videos and talking to you guys, and then coming on here and being like, here's some hair tips, here's this, and you know, here it is. So I'm trying to find that fine line because I'm seeing people fall all apart on the internet, and I'm like, I rebuke that. I do not want that in my life. I do not want to share too much and then regret it. I don't want to depend on sharing my life and then be stuck. That's the thing. Like, part of me wants to keep this so work-based because sometimes people, their channels turn into their life being shared all the time, and I don't want to get in that and then feel like, can I retract? Because you cannot retract. People get very offended when you share something and then you decide, I'm not sharing anymore. Even though the person is rightfully entitled to their privacy, it does get a little bit, you know, because people invest in you. So I'm trying to find that fine line between coming on here and being business and showing you guys the hair stuff that you ask for, and then coming on here and being a little bit more personable and talking to you guys, because if you know me, if you've ever met me, and oh my goodness, Kate, sorry, pause, I even need to mention, I've met so many subscribers this summer. It's actually crazy and I love it. I also have to mention, if you live in Toronto, there are events that I'm always posting about that I have been invited to, and it is now coming up. So if you don't follow me and you live in Toronto, please go follow me on Instagram because there's more coming up. So please, please, please follow me and try to get involved. Okay, so that is it for my easy install. I hope you guys were able to follow along, and all I have to say about this hair is that I do like the curl pattern. It's lightweight. I don't feel like I'm gonna sweat in this, and clearly you guys can see I parted it very far back and I'm not exposing myself because it's a full lace wig and I can actually just part it all the way back if I want. So that looks really nice. If you guys have any thoughts, comment them down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this heart. Let me know how you think it looks on me. And yeah, let's talk in the comments, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm glad we got to catch up and hang out today. I hope you got to do your hair with me, your makeup, eat a snack, I don't know, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.